Most people with diabetes think snacking is a guilty pleasure, something that should be avoided to keep blood sugar in check. But here is the surprising truth. When you choose the right snacks, they can actually work for you, not against you. The right snacks can help control your blood sugar, prevent sudden spikes and crashes, keep your energy steady all day, and curb those midday or late-night cravings that can throw your diet off track. In this video, we are going to share 7 delicious and healthy snacks that are simple to prepare, satisfying to eat, and specifically chosen to support stable blood sugar levels. These snacks are not only packed with nutrients, but also designed to help you feel full and fueled without guilt. Whether you are at home, at work, or on the go, these ideas will make healthy snacking easy and enjoyable. And make sure you stay until the very end, because the last snack on our list tastes just like dessert. But unlike most sweet treats, it works in harmony with your body instead of against it. You will not want to miss it. Snack 1. Apple slices with almond butter. Let's start with a snack that is simple, satisfying, and perfect for keeping blood sugar steady. Apple slices with almond butter. Apples are naturally sweet, but they are also packed with fiber, especially in the skin. That fiber slows down how quickly your body absorbs sugar, which helps prevent sudden blood sugar spikes. Pair that with almond butter, which is rich in protein and healthy fats, and you have a snack that keeps you full for hours and supports steady energy levels. A few months ago, I spoke with Sarah, a school teacher from Michigan who was recently diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. She told me afternoons were her weak spot. Around 3 p.m., she would crash. Low energy, brain fog, and a craving for something sweet. She used to grab a candy bar from the vending machine, thinking it would help her push through the rest of the day. But of course, it only gave her a quick burst of energy, followed by an even bigger slump. Her doctor suggested replacing that candy bar with apple slices dipped in a tablespoon of almond butter. At first, she was skeptical. She thought it wouldn't be sweet enough. But after a week of making the switch, she noticed a big difference. The natural sweetness of the apple satisfied her craving. The crunch made it feel indulgent, and the almond butter kept her feeling full until dinner. She no longer experienced that 4 p.m. crash, and her blood sugar readings were noticeably more stable. The best part? This snack is portable and easy to prepare. Just slice up an apple in the morning, keep it in a small container, and pack a single serving cup of almond butter on the side. When the mid-morning or afternoon cravings hit, you'll have a snack that feels like a treat but works with your body, not against it. Simple, healthy, and satisfying. Apple slices with almond butter might just become your go-to blood sugar-friendly snack. Snack 2. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse snack for anyone managing diabetes. Its high protein content keeps you feeling full longer, helping to prevent the blood sugar spikes and dips that can trigger cravings. The thick, creamy texture makes it feel indulgent, even though it is working hard to support your health. Adding berries takes this snack to another level. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are naturally sweet but low in sugar compared to other fruits. They are packed with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage, and they bring a burst of flavor without the need for added sweeteners. The combination of protein from the yogurt and fiber from the berries creates a balanced treat that supports stable blood sugar. I once spoke to Daniel, a 58-year-old from North Carolina, who struggled with afternoon crashes at work. He used to grab a candy bar around 3 p.m. for a quick boost, only to feel sluggish an hour later. When his doctor suggested replacing that with a bowl of plain Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries, he was skeptical. But within a week, he noticed his energy stayed steady all afternoon, and he even stopped feeling that urgent need for sugar. Daniel said the biggest surprise was how satisfying the snack was. He no longer felt deprived, and his blood sugar readings improved noticeably. If you are choosing Greek yogurt, always check the label for added sugars. Many flavored varieties have more sugar than a soda, which can undo the benefits. The best choice is plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. You can always sweeten it naturally with fresh berries, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon. This snack is quick to prepare, easy to pack for work, and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without sending your glucose levels on a roller coaster. It is a smart, tasty swap that works with your body, not against it. Snack 3. Celery sticks with hummus. Celery is one of the most underrated snacks for people managing diabetes. It is naturally low in carbs, high in water content, and provides a satisfying crunch without impacting blood sugar levels. That refreshing crunch makes it feel light, but when you pair it with the right dip, it becomes a filling and blood sugar-friendly treat. That's where hummus comes in. Made from chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, and spices, hummus delivers plant-based protein, healthy fats, and fiber, all of which help slow digestion and keep glucose levels steady. The creaminess of hummus paired with the crisp snap of celery creates a snack that feels indulgent, yet is packed with nutrients. I remember chatting with Karen, a 49-year-old teacher from Ohio, who often found herself rummaging through the pantry for chips after school. She wanted something crunchy, but every time she reached for chips or crackers, her blood sugar would spike and then crash. A friend suggested she try celery sticks with hummus instead. At first, Karen thought it sounded too healthy to be satisfying, but after a week, she was hooked. She told me the crunch was exactly what she was craving, and the hummus kept her feeling full until dinner. She also noticed her energy stayed level in the evenings. No more post-snack crashes. The best part about this combo is how easy it is to prepare. Wash and cut celery sticks ahead of time. Store them in a container of water in the fridge to keep them crisp. And portion out hummus into small containers for grab-and-go convenience. For variety, you can try flavored hummus like roasted red pepper, garlic, or lemon herb. Celery sticks with hummus aren't just a quick snack. They're a smart choice that satisfies both taste and texture cravings, all while helping you maintain stable glucose levels throughout the day. Snack 4. Handful of mixed nuts. A simple handful of mixed nuts can be one of the most powerful snacks in your diabetes-friendly toolkit. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are all rich in healthy fats, plant-based protein, and essential minerals like magnesium, nutrients that help regulate blood sugar and support heart health. Best of all, they have a low glycemic impact, meaning they won't cause sudden spikes in glucose levels. One thing that makes mixed nuts such a great option is convenience. They don't need refrigeration, they fit easily in a small container or snack bag, and they're ready to eat anytime, perfect for a busy schedule, whether you're heading to work, traveling, or simply need something between meals. A handful of nuts can help curb hunger without sending your blood sugar on a roller coaster. I once spoke with Robert, a truck driver from Alberta, who struggled with finding healthy snacks on the road. Gas station shelves were full of candy bars and chips, which always left him feeling sluggish. After talking with his doctor, he started keeping a jar of mixed nuts in his cab. Robert told me that grabbing a small handful while driving kept him alert and satisfied, and his blood sugar readings became more stable. The biggest surprise for him was that he no longer craved the sugary snacks he used to rely on for quick energy. Of course, the key with nuts is portion control. They're calorie-dense, so sticking to about a small handful, roughly a quarter cup, is the sweet spot. Eating straight from a large bag can make it easy to overdo it, so pre-portioning is a smart move. For variety, you can mix in pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, which add even more texture and nutrients. Just avoid heavily salted or sugar-coated versions, as they can cancel out some of the health benefits. A small handful of mixed nuts isn't just an easy snack. It's a nutrient-packed, blood sugar-friendly habit that can keep you fueled, satisfied, and in control no matter where your day takes you. Snack 5. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are one of the most underrated snacks for people managing diabetes. They're rich in high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins like B12 and D, all of which help keep energy steady and hunger at bay without causing blood sugar spikes. Because they're naturally low in carbs, they're a safe choice any time of the day. One of the biggest advantages of hard-boiled eggs is convenience. You can prepare a batch in advance, store them in the fridge, and have ready-to-eat snacks for the entire week. Whether it's a busy work morning or a late-night craving, they're quick, satisfying, and require zero extra prep. I remember meeting Linda, a teacher from Wisconsin, who always struggled with mid-afternoon slumps. She used to grab a muffin from the school cafeteria, but that quick sugar rush would crash within an hour, leaving her even more tired. At her doctor's suggestion, she swapped the muffin for 2 hard-boiled eggs sprinkled with a pinch of salt and paprika. Not only did her energy last until dinner, but she also noticed her blood sugar readings became more consistent. The protein in eggs plays a key role in reducing cravings. When your body gets enough protein, it feels satisfied longer, making it easier to avoid impulsive snacking on high-carb treats. And because hard-boiled eggs are portable, they're ideal for road trips, picnics, or even keeping at your desk. For an extra flavor boost, you can pair them with cucumber slices, a small portion of avocado, or even a light sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning. Just keep in mind that while eggs are nutrient-dense, balance is still important. 2 eggs in one sitting is usually a good portion for most people. Hard-boiled eggs prove that healthy snacks don't have to be complicated. With their perfect mix of protein, vitamins, and convenience, they're a simple habit that can make a big difference in managing blood sugar and staying satisfied throughout the day. Snack 6. Cottage cheese with cinnamon. Cottage cheese is a powerhouse snack for anyone managing diabetes. It's packed with slow-digesting casein protein, which helps keep you feeling full for hours while releasing energy gradually, perfect for avoiding blood sugar spikes. When you sprinkle cinnamon on top, you're not just adding flavor. Studies suggest cinnamon may help improve insulin sensitivity, making this combo both tasty and functional. The beauty of this snack lies in its balance. The protein in cottage cheese supports steady glucose levels, while cinnamon brings a natural sweetness without sugar. You can enjoy it plain or add a few slices of fresh strawberries for extra fiber and antioxidants. I once met Tom, a delivery driver from Ontario, who used to rely on candy bars during his late shifts. He noticed the sugar would give him a burst of energy, but it quickly faded, leaving him more tired than before. His nutritionist recommended trying cottage cheese with cinnamon instead. At first, he was skeptical. It didn't sound exciting compared to chocolate. But after 1 week of making the swap, Tom realized his energy was steady, his cravings were lower, and his blood sugar readings improved. Now, he preps small containers of cottage cheese with cinnamon at the start of each week, so he always has a quick grab-and-go option in his cooler. This snack also works well at night. Since casein protein digests slowly, it can help keep hunger at bay until morning without causing overnight glucose spikes. Plus, cinnamon's warm, comforting flavor makes it feel like a treat, especially when you're trying to satisfy a sweet tooth in a healthy way. For the best results, choose low-fat or full-fat cottage cheese without added sugar or artificial flavors. A light sprinkle of cinnamon is all you need. Too much can be overpowering. Cottage cheese with cinnamon is proof that simple ingredients can deliver big health benefits. It's creamy, naturally sweet, and supports blood sugar control, making it one snack that truly works with your body instead of against it. Snack 7. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher. Dark chocolate, especially 70% cocoa or higher, is one of those rare snacks that feels indulgent, but can actually fit into a diabetes-friendly lifestyle. Unlike milk chocolate, which is loaded with sugar and dairy, dark chocolate contains more cocoa solids, meaning it's richer in antioxidants and lower in sugar. These antioxidants may help improve circulation and support heart health, which is especially important for those managing diabetes. The key is portion control. Just 1 or 2 small squares can satisfy a sweet craving without causing a big jump in blood sugar. This makes it a smart option when you want dessert but don't want the sugar roller coaster. I remember meeting Lisa, a teacher from Texas, who loved ending her day with ice cream. She noticed her blood sugar would spike and crash afterward, leaving her sluggish the next morning. Her dietitian suggested replacing her nightly ice cream with a piece of dark chocolate paired with a few almonds. Lisa was skeptical. She thought she'd missed the creamy sweetness of ice cream. But within 2 weeks, she found her cravings had dropped. Her after-dinner glucose readings were steadier, and she still felt satisfied. Now she says her chocolate ritual is one of her favorite parts of the day. Pairing dark chocolate with nuts is a great strategy. The healthy fats and protein in nuts slow digestion, making the treat more filling and further stabilizing blood sugar. Almonds, walnuts, or even pistachios work beautifully alongside the chocolate's deep, rich flavor. For the best results, choose high-quality dark chocolate with minimal added sugar and no artificial flavors. Avoid dark chocolate that's actually just milk chocolate with added coloring. It won't give you the same benefits. Dark chocolate shows that eating with diabetes doesn't have to mean giving up pleasure. With the right portion and pairing, it can be a satisfying, heart-healthy, and blood sugar-friendly snack that you truly enjoy. Conclusion: the 7 snacks we covered today are all delicious, easy to prepare, and supportive of steady blood sugar levels. They are crisp apple slices with creamy almond butter, protein-packed Greek yogurt topped with berries, crunchy celery sticks paired with smooth hummus, a satisfying handful of mixed nuts, perfectly portable hard-boiled eggs, creamy cottage cheese sprinkled with cinnamon, and rich dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher. Each of these snacks offers a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, helping you avoid the sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling drained. They are simple to keep on hand at home, take to work, or pack for a trip, making them practical as well as healthy. So, which one will you try first? Will it be the refreshing crunch of celery and hummus, the sweet tart taste of berries with Greek yogurt, or maybe the indulgence of dark chocolate paired with nuts? Share your choice in the comments. And be sure to subscribe for more blood sugar-friendly tips and recipes that make healthy eating both satisfying and simple. Your future self will thank you.